YouTube land, here we are. Let Sean go. Let him go. That's not fair.
I just want to take her for a quick walk because I have to do therapy.
You just tell him he has to be good. Then tell him not to do that. He will if you yell. Okay, so anywho. Okay, so I'm finally gonna do my little house tour. Not coming, no. Okay, anyway, hi guys. So we're totes doing a house tour. Josh is walking the dog with Sean. I was gonna have them here, but it'll be better without them. So I'm totes gonna show you guys my house. How excited are you? I don't know why anyone would want to see where I live or any. Sean, be good! I don't know why anyone would want to see where I live because like it's not very exciting. I won't show my dresses. Look, mailbox is empty. Okay, so here we go. So this is the house, guys. Yep, I got the ugly, weird colored house. Perfect. No, just kidding. I actually really like it. Look at this like retaining wall and everything. It's so nice. You can tell it was just put in. Put up my little garland. Woo! Yeah, I know people are gonna yell at me for showing my address. You know what? I'm like, so whatevs. It's like, no one's gonna kill me because like, what would you get with me? Nothing. So anyway, so I put my little salon in the basement so you can come up. So the clients will probably come up these steps and go around here to the side door. But I really don't use that. This is the way I go in. So here we go. Here's Josh's boots. They smell really bad. All of his shoes smell really bad. His feet smell, so we have to figure out what to do about them. Yes. So here's my doormat. I got it at like Big Lots or something. You come on in. I put a grandma mat down. One of those ones that's like clear because I'm OCD clean. The house is literally a mess right now. And I was like, this isn't a good time for a house tour, but let me turn the TV off. I was like, you know what? I'm going to show them like real raw my house. But here's something you have to know about me though. Even though there's like mess around, I'm literally OCD clean to the point that it's like sickening. Like people get annoyed. So I'll be like scrubbing all day long. So even though you see mess around, like you will never find a speck of dirt in my house. Like I literally have like a problem. It's so annoying. So anyway, here's the living room. Yeah, Shawnee just brought a bunch of toys. That's why it's a mess. So you walk in, that's leading upstairs. I really do like this whole little entranceway. I'm not gonna lie. There's a nice little closet for when you first come in for your jackets and stuff. That's nice. I don't really watch TV and stuff down here, so I put the TV that I didn't really like so much down here. After Christmas, I want to get one and hang it on one of the walls. I think that would be my best bet. But we gotta wait for a minute to do that. We do have radiator heating, which like to me, I don't care, I actually like radiator heating, but the radiators are annoying. That's the one thing. So this green chair and then that couch are totes from my grandma's house, but I love them so much. And then here's my big swivel chair that I have been like dying to get back. Like I just want to swivel on it, but like the way it's like set up, you can't really swivel. And then can someone tell me if this is a snowman or a ghost? That's like the argument of the house. What is he, a snowman or a ghost? Do not know. And then I'm like obsessed with this coffee table. Josh told me he doesn't like it. He's so rude. So then I have a dining room that has nothing in it except for a dog cage and then a broken bed because my dog has real bad separation anxiety. So I bought her this expensive like Serta bed and she literally ripped it apart within 12 hours. And that's the story of my life. So then you like come in through the dining room. Here is the kitchen. Like stuff is dated, but like there's so much potential in this house, I'm telling you. This cute little like seating area. And then the kitchen is a pretty decent size. And then that leads downstairs. That's the side door where clients come in and they just will go straight down. So like the kitchen is like a pretty decent size, as you can see. And then you come to the back door. Ooh, and then you come to my porch, which does not have much on it. A shed back there. The yard's nice, huh? What do you think? And I think this porch is like, it has so much potential as well, right? I don't know what that is. I spilled bleach, but then I also spilled this like powder. So I don't think it's actually permanently like ruined. I think that's like a powder or something. So that's the kitchen. Let's go upstairs and then I'll show you downstairs the little YouTube area and stuff. So let's run up the steps. Woo. Okay, here we go, here we go. I'm like, got this garland everywhere. There's Josh's slippers. They smell so bad. I put them in the garbage and then I took them out when I was pissed at him. Don't tell him. So here's the bathroom. And he'll never know because he don't watch my crap. Here's the bathroom. Also, if it was painted and stuff, it has potential. You know, it's just like, it's pretty much just your average, everyday or average Joe bathroom. I think the hall is really nice. Like the hallway, the like ambience of coming up, and then this area I just really like. I don't know why, I'm a weirdo. I got that like really cheap. I love this little dresser. Then this is like the carpeting's nice except for in the 2 rooms. I mean, the house was so well maintained. I will say that. Like, look how nice the carpeting is. Even though this carpeting is old, it's still like very well taken care of. So this is just like the little, this is going to be the computer room. Guys, bear with me. You know, stuff isn't totally done yet. This is just our little computer room. So there's my baby. Here's one of my hair extensions. That about sums up my life. Computers and hair extensions. This is my suitcase that was not here 10 minutes ago. I don't know why Josh is taking my suitcase. I don't even know. I don't even know. So this isn't the bedroom. I left the bed unmade because I was like, that's what it always looks like. So I gotta show YouTube with the furrow. You know what I'm saying? So this is my bedroom. There's Josh chews and I hate it. So there's his little chew container because it's not clear, so I don't have to look at that gross nasty chew. There's my little baby. Oh, my little baby. Got a new smart TV. It's 8 and I got it on this like little rolly stand because I didn't know where to put it, and I was like, perfect, then Sean can put it in his room and stuff too. Here's my little dresser set up. Not bad. Look at this. He moved it because he knew I'd get mad. I literally, there were, what's it called? The things you chew and spit out. Sunflower seeds. He left old sunflower seeds sitting on my dresser. I about snapped. Anyway, so that's my little dresser, my little bean. My little bean. We have a closet. Sean says he's working all the time in it. So like the bottom of my closet is covered in toys and I've about just let it go at this point. So these are all my clothes. All my clothes. This is not even a smidgen of them too. I'm literally sick. So then if you come back here, this is Josh's shirt. He has one shirt in the closet. So guys, I was making a wreath and I literally was like, and I cut my finger so bad. I literally want to take the band-aid off and show you it's so bad. Now you guys aren't gonna be able to hear because Sean is back in action. So anywho, this is his room. It's a super duper mess right now because we're still moving stuff in. Sean, come up here and be quiet. I'm trying to film for YouTube. Come show them your room. There's Laylee Puppy. There's Sean Michael Bold. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Good job. Okay, go show YouTube your room. Come on. Tell them about your room.
my room is, but it has lots of cars and it has lots of toys in it.
Good job. Hey, you could have your own YouTube station. So yeah, this is the messy room. We still have a lot of work to do. This is Sean's current bed. But guys, I'm thinking of getting one of those loft beds that have like the whole get up underneath, like where you could like store stuff. They're really expensive, but like
it was a bed on the top.
He wants one.
Drawers on the bottom,
so we'll see.
Put all your clothes
Oh, hey, there I am. Hey, Sean, look, wave. Wave in the mirror. Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Yeah, okay. So, anywho. Ooh, there's Caillou. Boy, I hate Caillou. I like Pete the cat, though, you know. This room is a mess. We gotta get this.
And I need to do your video.
Here, then talk to them.
Oh, my room is cool. It has lots of toys in it. It has lots of those toys in it. It has even a blind track in it.
A what?
A blind track.
A what?
A climbing roof on a bed in a drawer.
Oh, okay. No, that's what he wants, he's saying. All right, let's follow Laylee down. Okay, guys, now we gotta go see the basement. Woo! That's where all the action is. The makeup action. Here we go. This is so exciting. Everyone pretends like I'm set, like, oh, Natalie's so done with her little station, but everyone trying to get on it, huh? I mean them. So anyway, so here's the stairs. I totes walked down without telling you. Here's the basement. We have a nice size basement and it's super duper clean. I'm still just, this is like my makeup stuff, my facial stuff. I always have stuff everywhere. Here's just a little extra room for storage. I have like old furniture, just old furniture and stuff in here. Guys, I'm making a wreath. How adorable. I don't know if you guys knew that I'm like super obsessed with wreath making. So it's gonna be like a candy cane wreath when it's done. Laylee, stop. I'm trying to film. Okay, so anywho. Dryer. Here's my laundry room, which I flooded 2 times yesterday. I don't want to talk about it. Literally, I have the worst luck in the world. So I literally had this like laying here and I did the wash and it somehow floated into here and overflowed the bin. So I was all pissed, okay? So I redo the wash and literally there's these like towels that got all soaked when the floor flooded. So I set them in here, I redid it, and then the towels floated over and flooded it again. I have the worst luck. Okay, so the last but not least, here we go. So this is my little room for now. Okay, I know it's not amazing, but it's aight. So I have my little filming setup, which I'm literally struggling so much. I can't get my camera to focus. I have a Canon Rebel. If anybody can help me, it will focus like up close. But the second I like zoom out, I lose like all focus. I don't know. It like gets dark. It's so weird. I don't know what's going on. I tried taking my pictures down. Like nothing was working. So here's my little setup for now. I think it's cute. Then I had this old couch from my gram. I just got like a velvety like couch cover, covered that, got some pillows. I have this cute little bag. Here's my bed, and then this is where I do lashes, but you know, I mainly travel and stuff too. I got like a gigantic mirror for in here. I just think it's a really cute little filming setup. Oh, I want to show you really quickly. So my realtor, I was like her first closing, and she asked me like what my favorite sayings are, and I told her like the hope and fear, like the addiction ones. I had these hanging up and they were perfect, but they didn't go with the filming little backdrop, so I had to take them down. But look what she made me. Like, are those not so adorable? She's such a sweetheart. She seriously is. Hi, Jamie, if you ever see this. I did her lashes a few days ago, actually. But, yeah, so I think that I think we covered everything. What you think of it? What do you think? I'm about to sit down here and just wrap this up. I'm trying to like watch myself in the other thing. That's so weird. So yeah, that's the house. I know it's anyway, Josh is literally so annoying, guys. He's so annoying. I hate him. But anywho, so that's the house. You guys gotta tell me what you think of it. I guess it's okay for a little starter home, right? Let me know what you think. Head over and check out my giveaway. We got the Jeffree Star going on right now. Tomorrow will be the new giveaway, so let me know what I should put up. Head to my Instagram is what I was meaning to say, which is linked below, and that's where you will find my giveaway and all my makeup posts. And yeah, I think I have a fun video coming in like 2 days. I think you guys will like it. It's a little fun makeup-y video thingy. But yeah, that's it. Okay, love you guys. Bye.